Hi everyone, I want to share with you my latest purchase, and it's my first Louis Vuitton piece. I bought this from the LV Australian website and they sent it to me by express post, and it came to my door within a week of purchase. So let's open this. It came in a plain cardboard box. And inside, let's remove this. There's the envelope containing all the documents, my receipts and everything. They even gave me the Louis Vuitton carry bag. And it's nicely wrapped up in the signature box. Let's open this. Put this in the back, makes a nice background. And this dust bag. This is a Louis Vuitton Sarah wallet in Empreinte leather in the color Noir, which is black. Okay. Just give you a closer look. I've opened this up already to inspect it. So basically I was looking at all the glazing, just making sure there are no bubbles and no cracks. And I like how this is not all covered in the embossed leather with the logo all over the wallet, so it's still quite subtle and minimalist. So I want to show you the inside. It opens with a snap button. And inside the flap you can see that it's made in Spain, it says here. So starting from the back, we have a flat pocket, 6 card slots, and one of the bigger compartments in here, a zipper compartment, quite smooth there. You have another flat pocket on the other side of the zipper compartment, another space here, and another 6 card slots on this side, and 4 card slots in the front. So in total there are 16 card slots, which is plenty for me. And then at the back there's a back pocket as well. I don't think I'll be using it unless I need to use something very frequently. And the date code for this particular wallet, and I believe for all Empreinte leather Sarah wallets, it's inside the back flat pocket here, right here. So you have to hold it up against the light, the correct lighting, in order to see your date code. And I looked up mine, and this wallet was made in December 2020, so just under a month ago. So it's still a newborn. So yeah, this is an anniversary present. My husband didn't get me this, I bought this myself. He said I could get whatever I want, which is not very romantic, but I'll take up his offer. And when he saw this wallet, he approved it. He liked it as well. So yeah. So I hope you like my quick show and tell of the Sarah wallet. And I'll see you next time. Bye.